Relax yourself. Make yourself comfortable. Phone silent, you're silent. Have some water. Simple, straight, spine straight, body एकदम loose. आपकी बॉडी को एकदम लूज छोड़ दो. Inhale, exhale, normal breathe in, breathe out. Focus on only your breath. How you can make it more stronger? Focus which nostril it's coming in, inhaling, which nostril, and how you're exhaling. If possible, inhale, slowly exhale. Easily, effortlessly, happily. आपसे जितना हो सकता inhale करो, फोर्स मत करना. फिर आप easily, effortlessly, slowly exhale करो. ब्रेथ पे फोकस. स्लोली फील कि आपका माइंड, आपकी आंखें, आपके शोल्डर्स, आपके हाथ, आपकी बॉडी, पैर लाइट 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 फील हो रहा है. लम LAM Beej Mantra for root chakra. Visualize beautiful red color energies flowing on your root chakra. Lam 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 Normal breathe in, breathe out. Relax yourself. VAM lower abdomen, below your navel, beautiful orange color energies. Vam 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 Normal breathe in, breathe out. Upper abdomen, below your navel, orange color energies. Yellow color energies. RAM 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 Ram. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Relax yourself. Focus on your heart chakra. Beautiful green color energies. Y-A-M. Yum. 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 Breathe in, breathe out. Relax yourself. Focus on your throat chakra. Beautiful blue color energies. H-U-M. Hum. 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 Relax. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Focus on your third eye, forehead, center of your eyebrows. O-M. Beautiful indigo blue color on your third eye. Focus on your sacral chakra. Focus on your crown chakra. Top of your head, crown chakra. Violet color, blue color, light white color. A-U-M. inhale, exhale. Focus on your aura, thick and thin layer on your body. Beautiful rainbow color energies. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tassavidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Naha Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tassavidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Naha Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tassavidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Naha Prachodayat. Aura cleansing, healing, energizing, balancing. Each and every layer of your aura associated with your chakra. Chakras, cleansed, healed, energized and balanced. With lots of gratitude to God, Guru, angels, universe, Mother Earth, Reiki Mom. Lots of gratitude to my body, mind, soul. Lots of gratitude for all the divine blessings. Slowly, gently move your fingers. Very slowly, very slowly. Move your fingers. Get back to your awareness. Make yourself comfortable. Focus on your breath. Body is completely light, mind light. Peace in within you. Filled with divine blessings. Gently rub your palms. Feel the warmth in it. Place it on your head. Thank you, dear God, Guru, angels, for the divine blessings. I am blessed. I am healed. I am happy. I am safe, secure, protected. Place it on your eyes, face. Gently apply on your body, overall body as much you can touch up to your legs. Eyes closed. When you open your eyes, look into your palm with a big smile, with lots of gratitude to divine blessing, healing energies, positive blessings, positive energies. Divine gratitude to yourself. I thank myself for being open and receptive for this beautiful energies. Thanks to dear God, Guru, angels, universe, Mother Earth, like force, cosmos energies. I thank myself for being the channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Breathe in, breathe out, open your eyes, have some water.